In this video I will show you how to change the password for the Telegram app. Launch the Telegram application. Then you need to open the settings of the app. Depending on your device, there are different ways to open the settings of this app. If you are using an iOS device, you need to tap on the button on the bottom right. If you are using an Android device, do as I show in the video. Tap on the icon on the top left, this will open the menu. Next, tap on the item called Settings. This will open the settings page. The next steps to change your password will be identical for both Android and iOS devices. Tap on Privacy and Security. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Next, select two-step verification. Here you have to enter your current password. After that, tap on Continue. Next, select Change Password. Enter your new password in the field. After that, click on the Continue button. And re-enter the new password. Tap the Continue button again. You can type in a hint to make it easier to remember your password if necessary. I'll skip this step by tapping Skip. Your password has been successfully changed. Thank you for watching.